What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Ruben? Quick demo video for you for your Solos Hold Ahsokas. I got these right here, right? So you've got your Sheen and your Shoto. I had these done yesterday actually, but there's a lot of gluing that has to take place on these kits, and I wanted it to sit overnight and cure before I did a demo for you. Plus, it's Sunday, so I had some leeway there, right? Because these can't go out till Monday. Actually, I just thought about it just now. It's Martin Luther King Day tomorrow, so these will probably go out Tuesday in the mail. All right, but we'll go over the sheen first. You know, I had to glue the control box down. I glued the bunny ears down. Um, this greebly right here, there's two pieces to this. This greebly, there's two pieces to this. The cap for this guy right here, all that needs to be glued down, and then I glue also this black ring to your pommel section. But you've got CC sabers in both of these for your lit PCBs. Now the Sheen has a ton of blade depth, so you'll never have an issue, right? The Shoto is known for not having a whole lot of blade depth, so this isn't going to be something that you want to go swinging around. It's not super sturdy in that way, okay? But anyway, it's a 2-button setup on both of them. So on one side, you can see that little plunger. That's your activation, and then you flip it around 180 degrees, and this one is your auxiliary. All right, so what you want to do to get to everything is just unscrew your pommel. These have static batteries with recharge ports. Not something that I typically do, but these sabers take that. There's no way around it. So you can get to your Proffie board from there if you want to. I do have the sound fonts that you sent me on there, so you're good to go. And then you've got your recharge port here. These both have KR Sabers 22 millimeter speakers, and they're located about right here on this guy, and I'll show you here on the Shoto here in a second. But there's holes on the inside black core of this saber that run along here on the inside of this aluminum shroud, and that is your sound venting. Not super loud, but it's loud enough to where you can hear what's going on. Right. This again the nature of this particular set. So we'll just pull your kill switch, kill key. Sorry. We'll go ahead and screw this back on. Activation right here. Get your lights all up. Auxiliary on the other side. And I gave you twist off. Okay. Your blade retentions for each one is going to be right here. That guy right there. Let me back that out real quick. And we'll put a blade in this guy. You need to be careful when you're backing these out because there's not a whole lot of metal that it's biting into. So just enough to get it out of the blade socket, but if you go like a half a turn more than that, it'll fall out. So you want to watch out for that. I just like to turn the saber on until I hit those pins, and then I can tighten this up. Long press on your activation to get to your soundtrack. And these are both programmed identically, right? So they have the same sound fonts in the same order. That way they can match if you want to, right? And another long press to turn that off. Just like that. Flash on flash. And you get the silver blade for this one. Just like that. We'll take the blade out of this guy and we'll go over the Shoto, which is set up in the exact same way. The only difference is the size. We want to put the kill switch back in this guy, or the kill switch. I get kill switch and kill key mixed up all the time. Kill key back in the recharge port. I've been charging these for a little while. You may still want to charge them when you get them. So that's the Sheen, and then here's the Shoto. So again, glue down this greebly, which is a 2-piece unit. Put some glue on these pins. And then glue the cap to this guy right here, and then but not your Cobra Tech, that just stays on. It screws on. Again, CC Sabers in here for your lit PCB, but as you can see, you probably got like a little over an inch or so. I mean, you've got slightly more than what you would if you had a thin neck saber. That's the best way to put it, right? So it'll hold a blade, but it's definitely not meant to go swinging around. That blade will go flying. Okay, so we want to unscrew the pommel. This is set up in the same way. So your board is here. Your recharge port is right here. So we'll just pull that.
Revenge is not the Jedi way. I am no Jedi.
So this has the same size speaker as the Sheen, that 22 millimeter KR speaker. And it is sitting about right here. And then you have the same deal. If you can see that little ribbed piece in the black anodized core, that actually goes all the way around on the inside, and that has perforated holes in it, and that is your sound venting. So you got nice smooth swing, auxiliary. There we go. The other one, I don't think my mic was picking it up very well. And another long press to turn it off. We'll throw a blade in this guy too. Again, be careful when taking this this blade retention screw and backing it out of the blade socket, because it's not biting into very much material at all. Lights up nice. Activation over here, or auxiliary. Go to another one. I think this is the one with the silver blade. Just flash on flash. Blade lock up. Just like that. And then we'll take the blade out of this guy too. And then you also had me weather these. So let me, we'll take this kill key and put it back into the recharge port. Just like that. So we're good to go. And then I'll turn my light on, if it'll make a difference. And I just went through and I lightly weathered these for you, right? So they wouldn't be so shiny and they look like they've seen a little bit of some battle, right? So you get the Shoto right there, and then I did the same with the Sheen. Just like that. So yeah, those are your Ahsokas. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, these guys will actually go out to you Tuesday. All right, thanks, man.